Thermostat installation can be a total headache if you try to do it yourself without knowing the wiring tricks, so getting a pro is honestly the way to go. Alright, so when you're thinking about switching up your thermostat, first thing is to check what kind of system you have, because not all thermostats work with every heating or cooling setup. Then, make sure you turn off the power to your HVAC system at the breaker before touching any wires. That's super important to avoid shocks. Next, label your wires before unplugging anything so you don't get lost later. It's easy to mix them up and mess things up big time. When you're ready to install the new thermostat, follow the manual closely, but remember wiring can vary, so if something doesn't match, don't force it. Using a voltage tester can help confirm there's no power running through the wires before you start poking around. After wiring, secure the thermostat on the wall firmly and double-check all connections are tight because loose wiring can cause your system to fail or behave weird. Finally, once everything's hooked up, turn the power back on and run a quick test to see if your thermostat controls the temperature like it should. And if any part feels confusing or scary, calling in a professional electrician or HVAC technician saves you from costly mistakes and keeps you safe. One of the top mistakes people make with thermostat installation is mixing up wires, which causes the HVAC system not to work or even damages it. Fix this by carefully labeling wires before removing the old thermostat. Another common issue is forgetting to turn off the power, leading to electrical shock or short circuits. Always switch off the breaker first and use a voltage tester to be sure. A third frequent problem is poor wiring connections that cause intermittent heating or cooling. Double-check all wire terminals are tight and properly seated to avoid this. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right the first time. It also gives contractors a platform to find more work and build their reputation with real customers nearby.